you think you're going?
I'm going at work.
Did you forget the extra part? I made the drawing and everything. You're just gonna leave it out? Because you're shy? Alright. Alright. Alright, that's it. Alright, I won't lie. I thought that after the herbs and the senna, I would stop having these horrible nightmares and these, you know, halfway manic episodes, which I will be cutting out of this vlog because it's embarrassing. I do have to say there's a few things, you know, there's huge improvement. First off, I haven't had a single flare-up like the first video. So to finalize this Mr. Rossetti period of my life and to make it last once and for all so I don't have to see this guy again. So to finalize this cleanse, it needs to rebuild. So to rebuild basically means that everything's been cleaned out, everything's reset, but now we need to restore some good bacteria. And what that means is, well, it's in fermented food. Miso-suke. I made this a while ago. And it turned out very well. That's something fermented. Either supplement with probiotics or something, but miso soup and everything is fine, but you know, a couple bites of sauerkraut in the morning isn't gonna cut it for me right now. So I decided to buy this nice luxurious looking bottle on the internet. Basically, it's been fermenting for 1 year. This recipe is like a century old. And it has over 100 ingredients. I think it has 100 ingredients inside. And I think this is like kombucha, but like, I don't know, way different level. Very high level kombucha, basically. So it has koji in it. I think it has basically anything you can think of, and it's fermented inside this bottle. It's like syrup. And this is basically how you make it. It's very delicious. Like brain fog and everything was like a blur, like literally I was seeing blurs. So I realized that that's not normal, and now I'm back to normal and it feels pretty scary. So I'm doing better though. So I just hope that maybe, you know, even if it's not koso, I hope that you can find something that's also fermented. Maybe you've been making something for a long time or whatever it might be. If you have another recommendation, write in the comments. Currently, I do have one more item that I want to show. 120 billion CFU probiotics. I wish you good luck on your journey, and if you have any sort of question or discussion, please do write it in the comment section or wherever you found this video. Alright, take care. Bye.